Are you tired of feeling weak and losing muscle strength as you age? If so, today we'll reveal the top 5 most powerful fruits that can help rebuild muscle mass, increase strength, and reverse sarcopenia. But what if there was something you could do to help maintain your muscle mass and improve your strength as you age? Keep watching to find out how these 5 amazing fruits can help you achieve your healthy aging goals. As we get older, it's normal to lose muscle strength, which can lead to frailty and make everyday activities difficult. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for holistic health and wellness tips. Sarcopenia can cause significant physical limitations, making simple tasks like getting up from a chair or climbing the stairs challenging. Hormones play a crucial role in muscle growth and repair, so it's important to make sure you're getting enough healthy fats in your diet. In addition to their healthy fat content, avocados are also a good source of magnesium, which is another important mineral for muscle function. This is important for muscle growth and repair, as your body needs a sufficient amount of protein to build and maintain muscle mass. Nitric oxide is a molecule that helps improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes to your diet and lifestyle. So why wait? And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health and wellness tips. We wish you optimal health and well-being on your journey to healthy aging. Start incorporating these fruits into your diet today and reap the benefits tomorrow. This can help increase strength and endurance, making it easier to engage in physical activity and support muscle growth. In addition to their nitric oxide boosting properties, pomegranates are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Pomegranate juice, in particular, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects that can benefit muscle health. Papaya also has high levels of vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and support to muscles, so it's important for maintaining muscle health. Additionally, papayas are a good source of other vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, folate, and magnesium, all of which can support overall health and well-being. Magnesium helps regulate muscle contractions and can help prevent muscle cramps. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to support hormone balance and muscle health. So don't be afraid to add avocado toast to your morning routine or use avocado oil in your salads and smoothies. But what are the best foods for building muscle and preventing sarcopenia? These antioxidants can help reduce muscle inflammation and oxidative stress, which is especially important as we age. As we get older, our muscles are more susceptible to damage, and inflammation can contribute to muscle loss and weakness. By reducing inflammation, blueberries can help support muscle health and improve recovery after exercise. In addition to their antioxidant content, blueberries are also a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and several other vitamins and minerals that can support overall health and well-being. Let's take a closer look at the top 5 fruits for muscle building and strength. It can also lead to a decline in overall health and increase the risk of falls and fractures. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. But why is sarcopenia such a concern as we age? Potassium helps regulate fluid balance in the body and is important for proper nerve and muscle signaling. This means that eating bananas can help reduce muscle cramps and improve muscle recovery after exercise. Additionally, bananas are a good source of carbs, which are the primary source of energy for your muscles. Carbs are broken down into glucose, which is used by your muscles for fuel. Eating carbs can help you maintain your energy levels during physical activity and can help you perform at your best. By improving muscle function and providing energy, bananas can help you maintain your strength and power as you age. The good news is that sarcopenia is preventable and treatable, and one of the best ways to combat muscle loss is by incorporating certain foods into your diet. Number 1. Bananas. Bananas are a great source of potassium, an essential nutrient for maintaining muscle function. Number 2 is avocados. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, which are essential for hormone production and balance. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are a type of fruit known as a superfood because they are packed with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Number 4. Papayas are a tropical fruit that contains enzymes such as papain, which can help with protein digestion and absorption. Number 5. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are a unique and powerful fruit that can help boost nitric oxide levels in the body. Incorporating these 5 fruits into your diet can provide you with the necessary nutrients to support muscle growth, strength, and overall health as you age. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.